Restoration here is back, and I'm ready to rock your world restoration style. Winter's here, and it's time to gear up with our Winter Water Warriors. And it's like totally fast, like totally awesome. You gotta use the right tools for the job. Now this baby here, this is like the DeLorean of water extraction. It is totally tubular.
Totally awesome.
Water damage doesn't stand a chance when you've got the Warriors on your side. Totally awesome, totally tubular, and always ready. Remember, 24/7 is not just a number, it's a guarantee.